Waste PVC plastic flakes pulverizer mill grinder machine. PVC flakes. The pulverizer mill grinder machine is designed by a factory, using Germany technology and our own production experience. It can be used for PVC plastic from PVC pipe, profile, soft sheet, bottle. Card from low to moderate hardness PVC, plastic floor, PVC floor, WPC floor, SPC floor and so on. The output of RP and MP pulverizer can reach 100 to 900 kilograms per hour, 15 to 100 mesh. The new disc design is of high quality, strong resistance, and the life of this grinding disc is double the ordinary ones. Full automatic design, automatically feeding, discharging and sorting. Grinding gap adjustment is simple. Just use the feeler gauge and adjust bolts can be fine-tuning. Customers can use different mesh sizes of screens according to their needs to obtain the powder size they need.